Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya. Today's lesson is titled Vector Databases. Storing and retrieving information efficiently. Imagine a library, but instead of books organized by title, they're organized by their content. That's kind of what a vector database does. It stores information as vectors, mathematical representations of meaning, allowing you to find similar items quickly, even without knowing their exact label. For developers, this means super fast search and recommendation systems. Think of a vector as a list of numbers. Each number represents a feature of your data. For example, if you're storing pictures of cats, a vector might represent furriness, ear shape, eye color, etc. Similar cats will have similar vectors. No need to be a math whiz. Libraries handle the heavy lifting. We use special AI models, called embedding models, to translate your data, text, images, etc., into these numerical vectors. Think of it like a magical translator turning words into numbers that capture their essence. Popular libraries like sentence transformers or OpenAI's embeddings help with this. Vector databases are specialized databases designed to efficiently store and search through these vectors. Unlike regular databases that use keywords for search, these databases use similarity calculations between vectors. Popular choices include Pinecone, Weaviate, and Milvus. To find similar items, you give the database a new vector, representing, for example, a new image. It then finds the vectors in its storage that are closest to this new vector. Based on mathematical distance calculations, like cosine similarity, this gives you the most similar items. Let's code a simple example. We'll use a library to generate vectors from images, store them in a vector database, and then search for similar images. We'll see how easy it is to build a powerful search engine with this technology. Vector databases are used everywhere. Recommendation systems, Netflix, Spotify, similar image product search, semantic search, finding information based on meaning, not keywords, and much more. We'll briefly touch upon scaling and optimization techniques. Vector databases provide a powerful and efficient way to store and retrieve information based on meaning, opening up exciting possibilities for building intelligent applications. Explore the libraries and databases mentioned, and start building your own vector-powered applications. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.